Are you tired of paying for expensive digital marketing tools? Just to do basic things? Welcome to Techfee, let's talk digital marketing. Your home for free tools, AI tools, and smart digital marketing hacks that help you grow without spending a single rupee or dollar. If you're a freelancer, content creator, digital marketer, blogger, or someone who wants to grow online using powerful free tools, this channel is made for you. Every week, I share short, actionable tutorials that teach you how to use AI tools, free SEO tools, content creation tools, social media tools, marketing automation workflows, all designed to save you time, money, and effort. Here, you'll learn how to create better content with free AI tools, automate your workflow, discover free SEO and marketing tools, avoid expensive software, and grow your digital presence, step by step. If you're ready to upgrade your digital marketing game, work smarter, and achieve real digital growth without overspending, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Because your digital growth starts right here, with Techfee. Let's learn digital marketing together. Once again, welcome to Techfee. Stay tuned.